well, it's not all easy footsteps on a hillside wood. But I thought today I'd just walk, because there are some, you know, looks like someone's riding a bike through here, motorbike. Mind your head. Now our plan is not to talk much and not to stop and look at much. We're just walking, but all good plans. Now I need to watch my footing, so I'm not actually watching what I'm shooting. So my plan is to do a reverse walk from what I've done before. Which could involve some rather difficult bits. Wow, that's so slippy. Did you feel it when I go? Did you feel it? Like I said, I don't know, because I know it does get easier. This is like the hardest bit because there's roots and water and rocks, of course. Now this is well, every year is an unusual year, and I say that not because of climate change or, oh, now which way am I going? Oh no, I forget. I forget which way I go, because I go one way and come up the other way. But yeah, I don't want to zoom up right, do I? Okay, because I'm intending to come back that way. Yeah, I think it's that way. Is it that way? Wow, this is going to be quite muddy, I think. But back to what I was saying. Yeah, this is almost mid-November. Yes. So that's the way we're going to be coming back. Along there is the plan. But as you can see, it's not as autumnal as you might think. And sure, every year is different. And, you know, last year was very good for colour, as were some other years. Look at the green on that. So what are we, 10th of November? I know I don't often give dates, but I am, because this is a bit of a reference for anybody. 10th of November 2021. Wow. Have we had loads of rain? Listen. Now, I don't really remember having loads of rain, unless we had loads overnight last night, but you know, sometimes it's so strange. You know, there are places where even a mile away, one place can have torrential rain and a thunderstorm, and the other place gets nothing at all. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now that's interesting. Don't know what they were. They were brown birds. Brown birds in the tree, tra-la-la-la-la. Yeah, no idea what they were. Yeah, anyone saw it? Did you catch a glimpse? It's not something like a woodcock, is it? It's quite odd how some trees are bare, mostly the ash, but there are others, and yet others are still fully clothed. Well, obviously they're turning, of course. And you're not seeing my face for any reason other than I'm just pointing the camera forwards. Yeah, it's sound of water. It's pretty much constant through here. Now there will be a break, a cut around 15-16 minutes, because for some reason my camera won't film constantly for longer than 15 minutes or 16. Even though it has done in the past, I remember it once, it did 23 minutes. So I don't understand why that happens. I can't program it or anything to last longer. There's nothing, there's no button for that. Okay, we cross the route here. The route of this route. Oh, look at that. Lovely. That's that orangey colour, isn't it, that somehow comes into the wood. Now, here's where we divert. Ah, glorious. Love it to all be like that, but it's not. But it's one of the reasons why beech trees are grown, because they provide that. Now I think this is it, isn't it? Yeah, here we go. I'm amazed it is still so green in here. Ooh, hello, look at that. That's an old willow, that is. I hadn't noticed that one before. Wow, quite a few hundred years old that is. But it does tend to, isn't it crack willow? Isn't that what it is? You know, it's called crack willow. Oh look, there's trees up there between the thickest ivy up the tree. Oh, that's interesting. So there's more of a slope. Oh, I'm discovering new things about this place. Some fir trees up there as well. Okay, well, let's see if we can get to what I call the oak on the corner. Another old tree there. That is a not sure. See if we can identify it from here. Hornbeam, is it? cut in leaves. Lime. No. I think, yeah, it's a lime. Don't know where the voice is coming from. Now, here we go. Okay, now prepare yourself for possible wonky camera work. Because I'm going to have to do some let's call it wading through nettles. Oh, look at that through there. Ooh, sometimes don't freak you out sometimes. You suddenly have this buzzing thing round your head. It sounds rather large. That was Mr. Bumble. This is the way, isn't it? Yeah. There's the path there. Okay. So this is a path that many people don't use. And which I love. Ooh. Now I've got to go up there. I think that's the way, isn't it? Well, I thought it was. I may have got lost. This is quite a big hazel here. That one. And the pines. I don't really remember coming through here, although I do and I don't. Oh, foot in a hole. Ah. Yeah, this doesn't look right, does it? Okay. Yeah, what's happened? Looks like a path up there, look. Doesn't it? How did I miss that? No. Not sure how I'm going to be able to get up here. Ow. Let's see. Yeah, that's a path. Yeah. Oh. Oh. No, I don't want to go up through here then. Oh. Damn. Okay. Oops. Right. I'm going to have to retrace steps. Just in case it was across here that I had to go. Hang on, that's looking familiar. Piles of wood, some steps. Okay. Ooh, lovely smell here. Oh yeah, here was the path. And of course, this is quite brambled. So, bear with the screeching, the tangling. It's very musky up here. Musky. Ooh, blimey. Right. I think I'm actually going to have to come down here with a machine and cut the path. Secateurs. May not be enough. And that is how easy it is to get lost in a wood. Damn. Oh, excuse my panting. It may actually be easier to come down with shears and secateurs. Lovely loop there. That's an oak tree on our left, or on the leftish. Can't get that in, not far enough away. Ow! Wow, this really doesn't get people down. Yeah, still not turned, and pretty old. Now I think that one day, see, I was hoping this floor was going to be covered in, it's forest floor, covered in hazel leaves, but it's not, is it? But this will be a record of them being here, because I suspect one day in the not too distant future, mind you, no one seems to have really done it, have they? Because there are some of the thickest hazel branches you'll ever see in this country. I think if they were going to be coppice, they'd have been done by now. But you can see how old the tree is. That's quite a few hundred years old, that tree. We can see the beauty of beach now. That lovely orange. Lovely orange with the light green. Perfectly tonal. And I'll have to find a way up. Let's, you will have seen this tree before if you've watched other videos. Isn't that lovely? Just, something so amazing about it. Yeah. So it's quite hard to get a level here. What I thought was my level was my level. Wow, incredible slope we're on. There's quite a few, oops, twisty bits on this trail. This is quite a strange little path because of all the young trees on it, and again loads of brambles hanging down. The colour over there. I think they're larches, aren't they? Larches being the only, or one of the few coniferous trees that loses its leaves. Okay, we're about to cut out, which is good because I've got to get up here. Oh no. So no wonder people don't come up this way. It's not the easiest of paths. That was good timing, the battery cut out then, because a passenger plane went by. Spoiling the ambience somewhat. Far more than my voice would do, or does, I hope. That's a crow, isn't it? Not a rook. Was it a raven? No. It's not deep enough for a raven, is it? Oh, look at this. The hole's through. Hollow tree. Wow. There you go. And here we are, back. And back in the room. Okay. Oh, here's my choice, isn't it? I can't remember which way. Don't they both come to the same place? I think they do. We're going to go this way. Someone has said, you know, why don't you just put, you know, the sounds of nature and woodland sounds? Well, here's a reason why. It's been 3 minutes since the last plane went over, and it could be the same one circling round the airport. 3 minutes? No, I don't think so. I think they're in a holding, you know, what do you call it, that thing where they circle round, because there's delays one way or another. See, we've just done over 30 minutes, right, without anything, and building up the ambience. And there you go, ruined by people who fly. we are now, coming through the hazels that I said I was going to come back through. See more, they're lovely, aren't they? So old. Especially that one on the left, right there. I'm back in the room. I'm going to have to cut now because I got something in my boot. I'm hoping I got it. Doesn't feel totally gone. Something tiny, dried piece of nature stuck in my sock. There we are, the last bit now. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Obviously we haven't gone through the tree bridge. The tree bridge labyrinth yet, so that will be your cue for the end, but I'm going to say goodbye here. Thanks for coming. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm sure someone's thinking, I bet he can't do one without talking. And you're probably right. Well, because sometimes it just covers up my panting. I think you'll agree is far better to hear a voice than my panting up a hill.